Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable restrictions on your iPad mini 7th generation. In order to turn off restrictions or in order to change them, you need to go to the settings. In the settings, you want to scroll down and go to screen time. And then over here we have content and privacy restrictions. If you go over here, first you want to make sure that this option is actually enabled. And after that, you have some privacy options. What should be allowed to use? And of course we have app installations and purchases. You can decide what can be allowed and what not. We also have allowed apps and features. So you can turn off an app or feature and it will be removed from the home screen. But of course it will not be completely removed from the iPad. And then we also have store, web, Siri and Game Center content. And for instance over here, if we go to apps, you can decide the restrictions for apps, for instance in the App Store. So if you set for instance 9 plus, then only apps that are suitable for this group, so 9 and below, or actually below 9 years of age, will be visible and downloadable. And that's pretty much it. Of course you can go through these options one by one in order to manage these settings. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!